Everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to make any PlayStation 5 game easier. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So you're starting up a new PlayStation game and you want to go ahead and set it to the easiest difficulty. Well, this is very easy to do with the game presets options on the PlayStation 5. So if I'm on the home screen and then go up to the top to settings, and then scroll on down under the screen until we get to save data in game app settings. Select this. Now go on down to game presets right here and go over to game difficulty. Now for the game presets, this says start new games with your preferred settings such as difficulty and control options. Your presets will be applied to games that support this feature. The selected settings will be applied differently depending on the game. So we have difficulty right here. It says choose the difficulty for new games. This applies to games that offer difficulty options. So right now I have mine set to easy. We have easiest all the way up to the hardest. So when I jump into a game, it should select the easy option for me. So if I'm playing like Dark Souls or something like that, I should have it easier by default. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, go ahead and leave this video a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.